Gatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Bishop Ben is a happy man ni undu tu wa atumia eri thiini wa muturire wake na makiria muno ni undu wa mutumia wake wa ihinda riri Joy Kiengei na Kezia wa Kariuki. We all know their parents to a beautiful girl. Kairitu magite hamwe when Bishop Ben was married to Kezia. Kiengei ni akorwo agitariria followers zake gikeno giake thutha wa kuona relationship ya kairitu gake na Kezia na his current wife Joy uri relationship eo ikigemete. Joy took a photo akihurite na Hassan na kairitu gaka ga Kezia na Kiengei. Bisha Kiengei akorirwo agipost nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria akionania gikeno giake. Kiengei akuga ati matuko mana hau thutha wa ndigano yake na Kezia na thutha wa marriage eo yao na Kezira gukorwo igithira ni akoragwo akigia ihoru muno ni kurigwo ria dota uyu wake na Kezia agukorwo akirelate na the new family agikorwo agicreate na Joy. Kiengei riu akiuga ati things that were once my worry are now my point of happiness. May God convert your pain to become your gain. Undu gikorwo gikenererwo muno ni ashirika a kanitha wa JCM makiria aria mafuataga Kiengei on social media kuona ni kwa korirwo agikungwira ndeto ino ikigie relationship ya Joy mutumia wake wa ihinda riri na kairitu gake na Kezia. Gutenderithia ndeto icio makiria twaciaria toria cia tukinyira. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe. Tucemanie na wa next one.